A pickup truck passenger was killed Sunday when a tree fell on the vehicle on a parkway in New York's northern suburbs, a report said. The freak accident occurred in the northbound lanes of the Palisades Parkway near exit 16 in Rockland County at about 4 p.m., News 12 Westchester reported, citing police. Three people were inside the red truck when it was struck by the falling tree. The accident happened in the northbound lanes in Stony Point. Lieb. The front seat passenger was killed and the driver and rear passenger were hospitalized, the report said. Photos from the scene show the mangled remains of the vehicle that veered off the road during the accident. Police investigating deadly freak accident in Rockland County. Lieb. Police closed off the northbound lanes of the parkway for several hours as they investigated and cleared the crash.